Yes, I've been doing most of my videos, and remember, it has been focusing on the creativity to do something that is unique and simple. Yes, I've gained the experience of knowing, at least if I'm styling people the age of 20 and 30, 35, there's the way you're supposed to style them. And now when it comes to the 40s above, there's the way still you have to style them so that it is not too much on them, and yes, to maintain that look. Trust me, yes, we always have to maintain that look. So all these I've been doing, I've gained that experience. So in this video, I'm going to try to show you how you can simplify someone who is like above the 35, who is in 40s and above.
Morris, the crochet master.
So now she's here, and you can look at her. She's my auntie. She's going to do, she's also having her ceremony, and she wants to do something that is very good for her. So I realized that the way I've been styling these others, I'm just going to do a little change on her, so that still it can look good but very simple for her. So number one, you can look at her hair is not all that much. It is somehow thin, like it is not that much. So what we do, I'm trying to create some cornrows inside, so that if I create the cornrows, it is going to help me to add in the extension. But this time around, it's not like we have to sew the extension. No, we are just going to pin it from inside. And when we pin it, it's not supposed to show. So this is what I'm trying to do here. I've made my lines, and now I'm trying to do some corners inside, where I'm going to be adding my extension. So these ones we always do, we do this to the people who have natural hair, but when it is short and thin, so that we can create that volume and it stay looking very nicely. So that is how I'm trying to do. And now if you can try to see, I'm bringing it like this, and I'm pinning it, and this way. So if you try to look there, and I'm trying to hide the extension not to show. And these ones, I've been telling you most of the times that let's make sure that the extensions that we are using are always the same color with with the hair, you understand, so that it can match. Someone cannot tell that it is different, the extension different from the original hair. So what you do, always get the extension that is the same color, then you just add in like this. So on this one, I'm not going to explain more about it, but the only thing I can tell you is that if you follow the way I've been telling you in these other previous videos, that we need to follow the foreheads mostly. So you can look at her forehead is somehow long but not very long. So, and according to her, we don't need something that overfall on her face, you understand? Yes, so we just have to create something that is simple, but it's not supposed to overfall on her face. It might make her uncomfortable. So you just have to create something that is going to be at least a little bit on the side way, but not the too much side way that falls, or like the one eye, you understand? So after here, I'm tracing, but if you try to look at this hair, trust me, it is looking like the real hair, because the extension is already inside. So after all that, I'm going to hold behind like this, and then we start doing the styling. All of the things I know, you know them. And now the hair that I'm going to do as my extension, I'm going to use the the kinky, just like this, just twisting it this way and trying to create the volume for her. All we can do for her, sometimes we don't need to make it too much like behind. Yes, too much, that I mean like the things that we always do and they overfall like up to the neck, you understand, like up to the back. You just have to make sure at least it is covering the neck at least, yes, and it's not too much for her. And then after, you can always try to be creative. I told you, whenever like what you feel inside that you can do and look good, trust me, you just do it the way you feel, because that's how we always do our creativity. Yes, don't hide it, just try to bring it out. Trust me, you will see it working. I've been doing these hairstyles most of the times, and sometimes I do them I be feeling it in my head that it's going to come out like this, and maybe the difficulties that I get, you find like the client that I'm working on, they would want to first see what am I going to do to them. So to those ones who always trust us, you find us doing some things that are very good on them just because we feel comfortable, and now when we express our creativity, you find everything looking very nice. And now when it comes to the makeup, I've been doing this mostly when it comes to natural hair. Please, let's not try to mostly like to make the makeup like too much, like depending. If we are doing it natural, let's try to make it simple and natural so that we keep the beauty. You understand, that people who can do the makeup and they really do overchange and you find it is really too much. So let's try to keep that beauty by not making it too much. So after, I'm just trying to put like these flowers so that my behind can look very good. As you can see, yes, not too much for her and just simple for her, just like that. So please, if you always like my video, please don't forget to click on the red button, ring the bell, and go in my comment section, tell me what you feel about my videos and maybe what you'd love to learn. Yes, you can always write it there because I always get it from there, and maybe one day I can learn on your comment and we do something and it works for you. Yes, so let's just do that. And those ones, if you're still new here, trust me, this is a channel for all hairstyles. We do all hairstyles, so you're just welcome to join us so that we can learn. My name is Maurice, the crochet master, and I work at Hair by Clippers. If I say Hair by Clippers, it is Hair by Clippers with Z. Yes, so if you want to get my service, our service to come and we play to you, always come at Hair by Clippers and we do this together. So those ones who would love to learn like most online lessons, please click on that link in the description on my website and go get some lessons, yes, of the inside knotless plus the extended dreadlocks. They're all there and you get to know more about everything. Yes, so for now, let's continue watching the video and trust me, you will tell me what you feel about it. But I'm gonna be signing out. May God bless you all. Bye bye.
Cartons around my soul, baby. I've been thinking about the way you're looking, yeah. Oyingite wongo yaka. Maurice the crochet master did a make on you, yeah. The nigga did you so right. Your makeup so nice, body fine like wine. You look so good, so good. Maurice the crochet master, yabako kolangako. Ako toto waza, beauty na chichayo. Engeri jonjumye, okwana nembaga. You look so good, nobody do it like Maurice. Yeah, nobody do it like Maurice, yeah. The crochet master. Nobody do it like touch of a crochet master. Yeah, nah, nah. Morris got the touch of a crochet master. Nah, nah, nah. He got the touch of a crochet master. Yeah, yeah. A touch of a crochet master. Morris.